Welcome to this comprehensive lecture on Python, one of the most powerful, versatile, and widely used programming languages in the world today. Whether you're an aspiring developer, a hobbyist looking to automate tasks, or someone who's just curious about technology, understanding Python will open countless doors for you. In this lecture, we'll break down everything you need to know to get started, what Python is and its key characteristics, why Python is so popular, the practical things you can do with Python, career opportunities and industry demand for Python developers, how to install Python on your system. Let's begin with the foundation. What is Python? Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language created by Guido van Rossum in the late 1980s and released officially in 1991. It was designed with a clear emphasis on code readability and simplicity, which makes it one of the easiest programming languages for beginners to learn. Python is dynamically typed and garbage collected, meaning you don't have to declare variable types explicitly, and you don't have to manage memory manually. Python takes care of that for you. One of Python's greatest strengths lies in its syntax, which is often compared to plain English. This means developers can focus more on solving problems rather than spending hours trying to figure out complicated syntax rules. Why is Python so popular these days? Python's rise in popularity over the last decade has been nothing short of phenomenal. But what makes it so special? Beginner-friendly syntax. Python is easy to learn and read. Its syntax eliminates unnecessary complexity, making it the first choice for schools, universities, and boot camps that teach programming. Versatility. Python is incredibly versatile. You can use it for web development, data analysis, machine learning, artificial intelligence, automation, scripting, game development, and more. Strong community support. Python has one of the largest and most active programming communities in the world. Whether you're stuck on a problem or just looking for inspiration, there's a good chance someone has already solved what you're working on. Rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks, from TensorFlow and PyTorch for machine learning, to Flask and Django for web development, to Pandas and NumPy for data science. Python's library ecosystem is unmatched. Cross-platform compatibility. Python runs on Windows, macOS, and Linux. You can write your code once and run it anywhere with little to no modification. Adopted by industry leaders. Major tech companies like Google, Netflix, Facebook, Dropbox, and Instagram use Python extensively in their back-end systems, automation tools, and machine learning pipelines. What can be done with Python? Let's explore some of the exciting and diverse things you can build with Python. Web development. Python offers powerful frameworks like Django and Flask for building robust, scalable web applications. Whether you're creating a blog, an e-commerce platform, or a REST API, Python has you covered. Data analysis and visualization. With libraries like Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn, Python is a favorite among data analysts. You can clean data, analyze trends, and visualize results with just a few lines of code. Machine learning and artificial intelligence. Python dominates the AI and machine learning scene with frameworks like TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn. You can train models, build neural networks, and create intelligent systems from scratch. Automation and scripting. Tired of repetitive tasks? Python can help. From renaming thousands of files to scraping websites and automating emails, Python scripts can save you hours of manual work. Desktop applications. With libraries like Tkinter, PyQt, or Kivy, you can build cross-platform desktop applications with GUI interfaces. Game development. Using Pygame or Unity with Python plugins, you can build simple 2D games or prototype game logic rapidly. Cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Python is often used by cybersecurity professionals for penetration testing, vulnerability scanning, and automating ethical hacking tools. IoT and robotics. Python is lightweight and works well with microcontrollers like Raspberry Pi. It's widely used in DIY robotics and Internet of Things projects. Career prospects for Python developers. Now that we've seen what Python can do, let's talk about the career opportunities. Python developers are in high demand across the world, and that demand is only growing. Here are some career paths available to you if you learn Python. Python developer. You'll be building software applications, writing scripts, and automating back-end systems. Python developers earn high salaries and are sought after across industries. Data analyst or data scientist. In this role, you'll work with large data sets, extract insights, and build predictive models. Python is considered the primary language for data science jobs. Machine learning engineer or AI specialist. You'll create systems that learn from data. This is a highly specialized and high-paying field. Web developer. You can work as a full-stack or back-end web developer using Django or Flask, Building scalable web apps and APIs. DevOps engineer. Python is often used for scripting deployments, automation, and infrastructure management. Cybersecurity analyst. Python skills are invaluable in building security tools, performing audits, and developing penetration testing scripts. Automation engineer. If you love saving time, this job is all about writing Python scripts to automate repetitive tasks. Game developer. Though niche, there are opportunities for indie developers using Python in game development or logic scripting. Salary potential. Python developers enjoy competitive salaries. Depending on your country and experience, Python jobs can start at $60,000 and go well above $150,000 annually in the United States. Freelancers with strong Python portfolios also make great incomes by working remotely. How to install Python on your system. Let's now walk through how to install Python on your computer so you can start coding right away. Step 1. Go to the official Python website. Open your web browser and go to python.org. Click on the Downloads tab. The site will usually recommend the best version for your operating system automatically. Step 2. Download the installer. If you're on Windows, download the Windows installer. For Mac, choose the macOS installer. Linux users usually install Python via the terminal, which we'll cover shortly. Step 3. Run the installer. After the download completes, open the installer. On Windows, be sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path before clicking Install Now. This ensures that Python can be run from any command line. On macOS, open the .package file and follow the prompts. Step 4. Verify installation. Once the installation is complete, open your terminal or command prompt. Type Python version or Python 3 version. You should see something like Python 3.11.0 or similar. Step 5. Install pip Python package installer. If you're using Python 3.4 or above, pip is installed by default. You can check by typing pip version. Step 6. Install a code editor, optional but recommended. You'll need a place to write your Python code. Some good choices are Visual Studio Code, VS Code lightweight and powerful with Python extensions. PyCharm, feature-rich and specifically designed for Python. Jupyter Notebooks, great for data science and quick experiments. Once your setup is complete, you're ready to start writing Python code. Python is not just a programming language. It's a gateway into the world of software development, data science, artificial intelligence, and automation. It's beginner-friendly, highly in-demand, and supported by one of the largest developer communities on the planet. By learning Python, you're not just picking up a new skill, you're investing in a future-proof career. Whether you dream of working at a tech giant, building your own startup, automating your daily tasks, or contributing to open-source projects, Python will be your most valuable tool. In the next lecture, we'll start exploring the basic syntax and data types in Python. We'll write our first real programs and understand how Python handles variables, strings, numbers, and more. Stay tuned and welcome to the world of Python.